As every cook knows, nothing makes prepping and mixing your favorite recipes quicker and easier than using a high-quality stand mixer. And now, thanks to the best name in the business, you can simply and efficiently handle the heaviest mixing tasks with the newest stand mixer from Cuisinart. This powerful 500-watt stand mixer is made of sturdy die-cast metal construction and has 12 mixing speeds for superior precision. The tilt-back head allows for easy access to the mixing bowl, and the included splash guard makes it easy to add ingredients even during operation. The Cuisinart stand mixer comes with 3 accessories: a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle that all operate with whisper-quiet performance. This machine goes beyond the typical cookies and mashed potatoes, including fluffy creams, whole wheat pasta and pizza dough, and spicy guacamole. There's no end to the convenient solutions this stand mixer delivers. And when your kitchen creativity requires it, you can easily add any of Cuisinart's easy-to-use attachments, like the pasta extruder, dessert maker, or meat grinder. The generous 5.5 quart work bowl comes in polished stainless steel and features an easy grip handle. Make up to 6 cups of cream, process 6 cups of flour, or even 5 dozen cookies. And save time cleaning up, as the bowl, paddle, and dough hook are 100% dishwasher safe. The stand mixer comes in silver, white, or red and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Why wait to simplify your cooking and baking food preparation? Bring home classic cooking convenience with the new Cuisinart stand mixer.
Kenmore is breaking the mold on a kitchen classic. Meet the Kenmore Elite Ovation stand mixer, the first and only stand mixer with a patented pour-in top, so you can mix without the mess. This revolutionary, easy-to-use design allows you to pour ingredients fast, saving you more time in the kitchen. For even more control, an easy pour funnel helps minimize spills. And the 360-degree splash guard keeps splatters in the bowl and off your countertops. The high-capacity 5-quart glass bowl can handle your largest batches, while the undermount LED light illuminates the bowl for better viewing. For all your recipe needs, there are 10-speed options and a slow start feature, so you have more control over mixing. For added safety, the Ovation was designed not to start unless the mixer speed is set at 0. The Kenmore Elite Ovation also includes a variety of customized attachments for exceptional performance. The Kenmore Elite Ovation stand mixer. Amazing innovation, thoughtful design, and revolutionary convenience for all your culinary creations. Kenmore, be amazing.
This is the Breville 5-quart die-cast stand mixer. It comes with a 5-quart stainless steel bowl and handle, and you just align it to the arrows and lock it into place. And it comes with the scraper beater, and what really makes this attachment unique are the rubber edges on the beater, and this eliminates the need for having to hand scrape the bowl and cuts the mixing time of up to 60%. The scraper beater is used for creaming butter and sugar, and you might use this for a cake batter, cookies or frosting. The flat beater is for normal or heavy mixtures like mashed potatoes and biscuits. The wire whip is for adding air to mixtures, so you'd want to use this if you're making egg whites or meringues and whipped cream. The dough hook would be used for heavy dough mixtures and for bread or pizza dough. And all the accessories are really easy to go on, just slot it on just like that. We also have this 2-piece pouring shield so you can add your ingredients without spilling them. It just goes on like this. So if you're adding your flour, it'll just funnel straight in. And the lift assist handles at the front for even improved usability. And the 550 watt base has an LED speed indicator, and it has 12 speed control dial and pause function. The LCD timer can time up to 10 minutes. So all these attachments and the bowl are dishwasher safe, but the base needs to be wiped down with a damp cloth. The Breville 5-quart die-cast stand mixer. This innovation is built for baking.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.